Hi, hello friends. Many of my friends, colleagues, and my neighbors were asking about Windows 7 and its end of support. So that is the reason why I thought of giving a little bit information on the Windows 7 end of support to our viewers. So what does end of support means? So after a 10 years support for the Windows 7 is coming to an end of support today. That is January 14, 2020. It's very sad for the people who are already using Windows 7 since 10 years and at one fine day it has come to an end of support. Okay, what does it mean? Microsoft will no longer provide the following things, that is technical support for any issues. If any issues with Windows 7, then we don't get a formally technical support from the Microsoft support team. Then next is software updates. So there won't be any software update available if we still use Windows 7. The third is security updates or fixes. There won't be any security updates or fixes that we get from Microsoft. While you could continue to use your PC running Windows 7 without continued software and security updates, it will be greater risk for your viruses and malware. So going forward, the best way for you to stay secure is on Windows 7 instead of Windows 7. So, what could be next option? So we have the next higher version is Windows 8. However, due to a little bit disadvantages with Windows 7, we recommend to go to Windows 7. It has a good features over here, which has been presented here of 9 tips. So it is very easy to find apps, applications in your PC just by with one click. And also you can customize your start menu. The third tip is you can organize your start with folders. You can drag one tile on top of another to make a folder in folders. The tip is you find settings, then you type the keyword that in the search box to find the settings that you want. The fifth tip is sign in with one account on all your devices by using the Microsoft account. The sixth tip is quickly you can change your settings in an action center by going to the settings and edit quick actions. And it's very easy to get your apps for your PC just by you selecting Start Microsoft Store. And also you can keep your PC up to the date by using the option Windows Update option, which is available under the settings. And the final tip is you learn more from your Windows experts. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Have a great day.